against. Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 9. Jeremiah 17. I want us to look at the whole heart. Verse 9, yes. Why manje le mic yeshile ublophoti? Yes.
Verse 9.
Yes.
Inhliziyo iyakhohliza phezu kwako konke.
Yebo.
Futhi imbi.
Yeah.
Ngubani ongayazi?
That is your own heart. Injani?
Iyakhohliza.
Sikhuluma sonke injani? Futhi injani? Hey. Hey, so that's your old heart. Isikhathi ungakasindiswa. Inhliziyo yakho yenza njani? Iyakhohlisa futhi njani? Yimbi. Ngoba ngazi. That's your old heart. Wazalwa unjani? Ungalunga ngokulunga kwemvelo, but inhliziyo yakho yimbi futhi yenza njani? Iyakhohlisa because it's an evil heart. It's very important to understand these things. Right? That's why you devise. Izinto you devise. Uyakwazi ukwakha into. Uyakhe uyipheke izivuthwe. Waqamba ngakho. That's why mangakholwa you can play games. Uphumele ndoda le Mike yomsebenzini kungena enye indoda. Le mayibuya ithululele flat ungathulele kanti khala ulala. Because inhliziyo yakho njani yimbi enjani yakho. Omunye ubaba uthi yangitshela lapha esekhona. Uthi baba uyazi ngithole something lapha endlini ngami. Uthi baba ngibuye emsebenzini. Uthi ngibuye emsebenzini. Ngizwa imoto le makafika phaka loba ushayisa ekseni. Ushayisa ekseni baba makafika phaka uzwa le moto iyaqhuma le. Uthi ngithawu le moto wayiqhuma kade nini. Uthi mangithinta ibonnet kanje i-engine iloka ibonnet iyashisa. Usho makaba le moto le beyigijima. Uthi makangena endlini uthola umfazi. Uthi ngithayela khaphi nesibhoko la. Kusho le moto behamba ngesibhoko ngoba phela nami kwamulelo yakhona. You see? Because you see? No, because I need to, the old heart can devise. And the second thing, inama issues. Inama issues. That's why in the heart there are issues of life. Inama issues. Inhliziyo yakho lendala inama issues. Impetting yakhona yama issues ayipheli. Singayihlala le case sihlale sikhulume uzovusa enye case. Noma singaba yifebe sihlale le nkulumo sihlale ukuthi ke konakalapi sithi ayimani loyo owenza lento wayenza fena azaxolisa athi ngiyaxolisa nkosami ngayenziswa ubula. But I'm telling you that akhona ngiphele because it's not about the case, it's about the issues that are in the heart. Ihlala icase yomndeni ube nomhlangano umndeni ubuyisane makuphunywa nje kulomndeni makuqeda ukuphunywa umlungu obhazala. What's happening with this guy? Why am I telling about that? And Sibokan started dealing with this up. asayidele one ngishinda mina makuphuma kulomhlangano bohleli for hours kubuye uanti kwemolo makuphuma kulomhlangano nethi siphuma sihamba sithi athi omunye kule mndeni sekuqolisiwe kwazwahagana lento kuphunywa so athi omunye mina ngeke ngicela lo yangihlanyela nje bengibadlulisa nje wethu ngaphandle ngaphandle awashisa ngaphandle bengibadlulisa nje kuspend ama-hours uzayuliswa lento wazopretend umuntu wakhona ngathi lento soyilungile makaphuma athi mina vele nje inhliziyo yami ngiyitshelile ukuthi ubana ngimthandisisi umuntu onjalo ngeke umsize enama sokuyikondema wena uxolele inhliziyo yakhe inama-issues. So that's why athi ke uJeremiah inhliziyo yimbi futhi iyakhohlisa. Uthi Jeremiah inhliziyo yimbi leyi endala not le yamanje le ndaba uthi yimbi futhi yenza yani iyakhohlisa. Uthi bese akuza ukuthi ubani ongayaziyo. Something ngithi wasosinisiwe. You must look at Maliki Babele, guard your heart. You must look as umzalwane. And look and see ukuthi kungavela ama parents amadala enhlizweni entsha. And ukungathi ngizoyigada ukuthi guard your heart. Uthi watch out your heart, you watch it out, you, not me, because it's your heart. Watch out that heart. Beg it is because you are the one who's responsible for it. Proverbs chapter 4:23 says that. Is it Proverbs?
Phezu kwakho konke
yebo
okugcinayo
ya
gcina inhliziyo yakho.
Phezu kwakho konke okugcinayo gcina inhliziyo. Alithi akathi ngizogcinela inhliziyo yakho. Uthi wena yigcine inhliziyo. Mina sengiguqulile sengiyisebenzile but wena yigcine. So you are the one who's responsible for your heart. Lord, my heart is it according to your word, or my heart is not according to your word? It's you. And my parents who are manje all the life. You've got the right to pray and say, Lord, when a private prayer, sometimes you go even to go for fasting. Even go for fasting. The Lord, Baba, how can it be? How can it be? Sengihlanziwe ngagezwa ngarenewa nganika inhliziyo entsha but ngibona ama-patterns amadala. Ukhale kuJehova. Mungu langenelele afika kusisa. Because uyilungisa inhliziyo yakho le. Because inhliziyo yakho le iyona iyokwesina ngale ngaphesheya. Iyona kuyobuza imibuzo kuthiwa but look at your heart. Your heart does not match the heart of God. And we still need to deal with our hearts. Uthi lo baba mara why abazali balesonto leli basindise kodwa banenhliziyo ezembo almost bonke. Abazali bakhona babathitha umfundisi wabo bamthitha sengathi isikolo bla. Bathi umfundisi athi why uthi I'm amazed ukuthi labantu laba almost wonke amabandla abo bayafana bonke. It's an important subject in our inhliziyo. You are the one to question your heart. You are the one to guard your heart. You are the one to bring your heart to God every day and say, Lord, my heart I bring it to you. Search me, O Lord, and see if there's anything wrong in my heart. Because David knows that sometimes his soul is closer to your heart without unaware. Awukwazi umzalwane uziyoshona ebudaleni bakho unebeef nomakoti wakho ungamkhulumisi uzufe ungazange usidedele isibusiso kubazukulu bakho uthi laba ngibafuni ngisho ethuneni labo awukwazi kusho njalo. Ngoba why? Because in the Bible aboJakobe zange benze kanjalo. aboJakobe mazokufa aboJakobe sebazokufa babiza abantwana baboJakobe baba Joseph babamisa la baprofeta phezulu kwabantu abamtshela wena uyoba ubani wena uyokukhosa lebusuku kuwe wena uyoba intenje nje ukwazi uhambe emhlabeni uhambe kunabantu abakwatele. There's no way. There's no way. Ungayivumeli inhliziyo yakho ibe nabantu ebabambile engafuna ukubadedela. Mabe kunzima, fasting, prayer. Tshela uNkulunkulu ngoba ngamandla akhe ngitshela uNkulunkulu Nkosi, I want to forgive this person but ngiyahluleka. Because this person offended me so much. Lo muntu ungilimazile but I need to release this person. Help me, Jesus. Get into fasting. Esibaleka kuNkulunkulu. Uyamuzwa nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu mina ngiyadlula ebusweni bomuntu. Ngezinjani ngiyobheka inhliziyo. uNkulunkulu anindaba nemakeup. Anindaba nobuhle bomuntu. Uthi ngiyadlula ebusweni bomuntu ngiyobheka inhliziyo. So because God is not concerned about your beauty on the outside, God is concerned about your beauty in the inside. I'm not saying ngabe ngimuhle ngaphakathi. Yiba muhle ngaphakathi, but uthi ke uTimotheo makachaza uthi laba bokuqala uthi bebazihlobisa ngaphakathi kuqala. Bazihlobisa ngaphakathi. So ungavuma ukukhazimula ngaphandle kodwa ungakhazimuli ngaphakathi. So you are the one who's responsible for that heart. Guard your heart and guard your lips. Two years into guard your heart and guard your lips. Uthi umlobo shinjani uthi ubani talibele ngathi ngifuna mase ngikhuluma nebheka masinyaka 2 years into guard. Ngimangele lavo umzweli wabo umthengi lapha kulomngcwabeni lapha kaloliwe naye uthi ufundisa ngale topic. Yazi awungamanga ngathi mina uNkulunkulu uma umuntu obongibheka umuntu obuka mina uthi baba kuthi naye uthi ubhizi topic ukuthi guard your heart. Ngithi awunkosi la njejuba sekhona. Yes. Sikhaso kade inhliziyo zethu. Kuthi kaqhotshe izinto ezingasibo ubuNkulunkulu ziqhotshe zingene enhlizweni yakho zihlale zikhule uziyekele. Usindisiwe wena awuthandi music gospel. Awuthandi gospel. Awuyidlali futhi gospel. No, not even a single day udlala ingoma gospel. Udlala zonke ingoma zamapiano zonke gospel awuyifuna ukubona masenziwe. No, there's something wrong now. There's something wrong now. There's something wrong. Ngiyawadlala amapiano. Ngiyawathanda amapiano. It's a nice genre. But I cannot stay in my piano because mina ngengoma zasekhaya zakithi. Ezithi mayihlabela ngikhumbule ekhaya. Because ngingumhambi ngumfokazi kulomhlaba. This is not like home. Ngihlabela ingoma zasekhaya. Bese ngiyabuyela ngidlala amapiano. Later, I listen to my piano. Nice songs. Hambane shoni langa masabona Ibe nalento nje sivuka isidlala. Yazi ngambona ngiwenze khona. Bathe sengiyaresume ngiyabuyela. Besithi nkulu uthando lwakho. Thina bantu wanikela hallelujah umuntu wangaphakathi wala sekukhumbule kibo-ke bakasho njalo lo hayi lo ngaphandle lo yilo unyaka lo wenyaka lo wenyaka vane afune nengoma zakibo sasemhlabeni lo uma ngithola ngicala ngoma lezo badingaqala ngahlabelela vane kulo ngaphakathi sekathi ukhumbule ekhaya sokunjalo njalo ungayidlala igospel awuyidlali igospel yebo ungayidlala ukwazi nokuyicula futhi ukuze ngeke ukwazi ukuyicula igospel ungazange uyidlala fana nasemakhaya ethu amakhaya ethu alahlekile amakhaya ethu amakhaya ethu akusemakhaya okukhona vele fike amakhaya sasele nalento yokuthi nje njalo ntamba bakuyacula lekhaya kuculwe bese kuyathandaza sometimes ngelanga ucule kuthandaza ukuze kukhala kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu obukho esontweni kuphela kukhona nakule khaya makhaya kubona nje bona ngamakhamera sakamnyama ngelela yesondela now madoda hayi namsengiyolala khaya nekhaya labazalwane funa ube nesikhathi sokucula kuhlatshelele mabe kucula isingisi all my life I've been so faithful all my life you've been so good
with every breath that I am able I will sing of the goodness of God.
Kuyolala ngekhaya. Why kwenziwe njalo? Kwenzela ukuthi la kule khaya akuthi kuyolala lo moya kaNkulunkulu uvunguse la ekhaya. I will sing of the goodness of God. God, manje kuyalala ekhaya, kuyalala nje. Akunabo uNkulunkulu. Obukhona mara abusi tangible. Ulaka kuyalala bekulwa abantu abalele futhi umuntu abone ejava le. Hayi. Must be presence kaNkulunkulu. That fills the heart. Because more than umzalwane kufanele ukulala kwakho kube nale peace that surpasses beyond human understanding. Usuthi nginokuthula.
Yeah. Peace.
Bathi abantu mabavuka bathi begijima imfene begijima kuphi imfene. Bekhala kusikho because awuzange because the presence kaNkulunkulu yenza ukuthi yakusibekela yenza ungasizwa zonke lezi.